Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your PIN on Blockchain Wallet. First, open your Blockchain Wallet application on your mobile device. From the main homepage of Blockchain Wallet, tap on the profile icon at the top left-hand corner. This will open up the Settings tab. Scroll down and tap on the Change PIN option under Security. Enter your current PIN for your device and create a new PIN on the next page. Confirm your new PIN by re-entering it in the text box, and then you have successfully changed your PIN on Blockchain Wallet. That is how easy it is to change your PIN on Blockchain Wallet with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.